And this is another sign of false Christian, false teacher, and a religious Christian, not a godly. First, they are liar, foremost, because they cut the sentences to make the servant of God bad. That is very bad. Bad accusing. Don't do that. You will be judged. Like you think for these people who serve God. Don't do that. Avoid that. Avoid accusing and cutting the words of the servant of God before you judge. You may end up you're in hell because you are accusing and lying.